let's take it off. All right, let's unwrap it. Okay. Lift up. Help me lift it up. Over here. Over here. This is the bottom of your new bed. Okay. Whoop. Stand up. Okay, lift. Lift it up and hold it. Pull that plastic off.
Oh.
Pull the plastic off.
Good work.
Good job, Sam. Go over here. There we go. All right. Take it up towards Mommy. Can you carry it to Mommy? The plastic. Can you carry the plastic to Mommy, please? Go under it. Carry the plastic towards Mommy. Sam, okay, come over here. Carry the plastic towards Mommy. Take it to Mommy. Okay, grab it. I don't quite understand, do you? Take it to Mommy.
That's right.
There you go.
Good.
Keep
Good.
going.
Pull, pull,
Keep
pull.
going. Pull, pull, pull. Good job. Wow.
Good work.
All right, help me put it down. Put your new bed down on the ground.
All right, go help Daddy.
Come on. Come on, help me out. I'm such a little boy. All right. Okay. All right. There's more coming.
All right, we can't climb on that bed, okay? You get to lay on the mattress. This is called the box spring. All right, you got to go downstairs, Sam,
and help me with the next one.
Help Daddy with the next one.
Maybe he